Hello everybody, I welcome you to the Schooldeeds platform. Before moving on, let us look at a few very important details. We do not charge anything per student. We give unlimited students, staff and cloud storage for all subscription plans. And our price never changes for existing users. For more details, you can please check out the contact information in the description and you can directly reach out to us. Let's get started. Hello everybody. In this video today, let us understand how you can set up your examination date sheet on the Schooldeeds platform. Firstly, you need to come on the website and click on the login button and enter in all of your details and login. You will be landing on this dashboard where you have all of the different details and facilities and features. And in case you want this ERP portal to be customized according to your school, according to your needs, then feel free to reach out to us. You can find our contact details in the description below, and you can also comment for any kind of assistance and we will reply promptly. Finally, we have also seen a lot of different videos in this tutorial series about how you can set up your examination marks or grades. And in this video, let us understand how exactly you can set up the date sheet. Let us click on it. And finally, as we reach over here, it shows that no data found because obviously we have not entered anything yet. So now let us go and create a new date sheet for us. We'll click over here and we are going to select our class. So I'm going to go with +2 commerce, and for first term, perfect, we are done. And here you can see you're getting the option for all of these subjects with the theory or practical subjects. And if you're wondering where did this come from, you can go and check out it at the examination marks where you have set up all of this for the theory, for the practical, what is the total marks, what is the passing marks for each subject for each term. Right? If you have not done this yet, then make sure to fulfill it. And now let us come back here at the date sheet. And again, we will be selecting our class and selecting our term. And now, if you want to make a subject eligible, basically, you need to select yes. And once you're selecting yes, you need to select the date and the timing on which the exam will be held. So I would like to select it as 1st April, and the timing I would want at 10:30 a.m. So I'm going to be selecting that. And perfect, you need to repeat the same exact steps for all of these subjects. You need to select on theory eligible and selecting your date and your time. Perfect, we are going to be selecting 10:30 again. And as for subjects which have both theory and practical, if you click on both that they are eligible for it, you will be getting 4 options over here: exam date, time, exam date, time, right? So you need to be selecting for all of this. So I would want the science theory exam to be on 3rd of April at 10:30, and I want the practical exam to be on the same date at 12 o'clock. Perfect, we are done over here. Now fill in the same details for all of this and give a final check ensuring that all of the details are correct. You also have the option to get it in Excel form or CSV form. And finally, we click on the submit button to save it. And yes, all of our details have been submitted successfully. Now we can click on the OK button and actually see the result. Boom, you have it. All of these details are mentioned over here. You have 3 options over here, which is the view, edit, and delete. Once you click on view, you will be getting the exact grid of your date sheet. Here you have all of the details of the exams which are compulsory and those that are optional, along with the dates and times. Next up, you can also click on edit in case anything needs to be edited. You come back again to the same place and okay. Let us now edit the practical time for science exam from 12 to 12:30. Perfect, we have edited it and let us click on update. Now, as soon as we are done, we get the same exact date sheet again. And yes, the exam timing has been updated. Perfect. Now, finally, you also have the option for deleting this entire sheet. And please do mind that you cannot delete the entry for one paper only. If you're deleting it, it gets deleted for the entire date sheet. And yes, once again, we have no data found. So yeah, if you want to start over again and create a new date sheet, you need to repeat the exact same steps. I really hope that this video could have helped you a lot in understanding how you can set up your own date sheet on the Schooldeeds platform. In case you have any doubts, please feel free to comment below and we will definitely get back to you and assist you. And make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and press the notification bell to stay tuned for all our upcoming updates. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.